Okay, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Monday routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. My name is James Danko. I'm a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service in Raleigh. So first, taking a look at the, thank you for the confirmation that you hear. First, we're going to take a look at the tropics. They're looking pretty active right now. We have a system, four different systems or potential systems that we're looking at. Hurricane Teddy out near Bermuda. It's a Category 1 hurricane, but it's expected to continue moving north and stay well off the coast of the United States, well east, but is likely to continue bringing some rough surf and potentially dangerous rip currents to the east coast of the United States for at least the next couple of days. There's also Tropical Storm Beta off the coast of Texas, and that's expected to, as you can see by the forecast track, it's expected to kind of graze along the coast of Texas and then up into eventually making its way northeast into the southeastern United States, bringing some heavy rainfall to portions of the southeast. And moisture from the system is likely to eventually get to our area as well in central North Carolina from Friday and especially by the weekend. And just a fun fact, we're all the way up to beta now already with the tropical system names. And this is the first time since 2005 that the National Hurricane Center has had to go to the Greek alphabet for naming tropical systems because they have run out of letters in the English alphabet. And it's the first time that has happened since 2005, and that was the only other time it ever happened. And this is by far the earliest in the season that it's happened. In 2005, they didn't actually have to start going into the Greek alphabet until October 22nd. So we're more than a month earlier than that. So looking at the upcoming weather pattern, we have right now Canadian high pressure over extending into our region from the northeast, and that is likely to bring dry weather and below normal temperatures for our area today and tomorrow. So highs generally upper 60s to low 70s, and then by Wednesday and Thursday the high will move south, and that will help to moderate our temperatures somewhat and bring them closer to normal, which is upper 70s to low 80s by Wednesday and Thursday. But the weather should continue staying dry. By Friday and into the weekend, moisture from the remnants of Tropical Storm Beta will bring a chance of rain to our region, especially across western parts of the area, the western Piedmont. So looking at the accumulated precipitation forecast through the next 7 days from the Weather Prediction Center, again, today, tomorrow, and Thursday, we are expecting dry conditions, no precipitation. And then for Friday and into the weekend and possibly into Monday, it starts to look more unsettled with rain chances each day, especially across the western Piedmont, with total rainfall amounts currently forecast to range anywhere from a 10 to a quarter of an inch in eastern parts of central North Carolina to 1 to 1.5 inches in the western Piedmont. However, This is subject to change, and there is currently quite a bit of model spread on how much rain we're actually going to see during this time period. The excessive rainfall outlook from the Weather Prediction Center for today, tomorrow, and Thursday, we're not expecting any precipitation, so there's no risk of any excessive rainfall during this time. Similarly, we're not expecting any risk of severe storms across our area for the next few days. So just summarizing, again, we have Canadian high pressure bringing dry weather and below normal temperatures for today and tomorrow. Will certainly feel like autumn out there. And then for Wednesday and Thursday, the high will move south, bringing continued dry weather, but temperatures will start to warm and get closer to normal. And then for Friday into the weekend, moisture from the remnants of Tropical Storm Beta will bring a chance of rain with the best chance across the western Piedmont. And looking at any hazards and impacts, we're not really at this time expecting significant impacts from the rain on Friday into the weekend. At this time, it does not appear that it will be heavy enough to really be a serious flooding concern. However, as I mentioned previously, uncertainty on exact amounts still exists, and there's a decent amount of model spread on how much exactly we're going to get. So stay tuned for the latest forecasts and updates. And while nothing is imminent in the forecast as far as any tropical systems other than just rain from the remnants of Beta, the tropics remain active and certainly always bear watching. All right, that concludes the Monday weekly briefing. Does anyone have any questions?